This is not your regular catfish video.
This is not your regular catfish video. I don't fair watch catfish video before. This one not be like the one you don't watch before. This one different. You see how they count the word they talk. I want to make you understand. Say this one not be like the one you don't fair watch before. If I dey come your house and you want make catfish pepper soup, you want use catfish cook soup, make I chop. If you no watch am like this, make you alert me oh, make you align me oh, make I know. Because me I no be person wey like catfish. Me looking at catfish like this, you can't still be person when all they wash, when all they get patient, they wash catfish the way I just wash am now. I don't know pass you. As I know am, as I see am, say na wetin good, na make I come bring am come for you, na make you learn. No be say if you no know am say na bad thing, no be bad thing. All you need is for you to learn. Hello beautiful lovers of good things, welcome back to my page, welcome back to my channel. Yes, so we dey everywhere. My name is Lady Zion Sweet Home. We are here for a healthy community. However you understand them, both of them join. See this catfish, you know, say so many of us they do it in a way when we say you know they align well. That is the way we take they prepare, and sometimes we just cook and we're not saying also they take teachers for many of us. Now so once they just carry catfish, point and key, just cut and push around. With those blood save everything, just cook am after all I go. Hey God oh. So you know say life is all about learning. Time can't still reach. As I dey waka dey go, I can't still know how to do this video in a perfect or in a right way. I can't say, okay, oh, why not? Make I come share am with my correct and my wonderful lovers of good things. Apart from those people when be sagalicious, when they like sagalicious, na not go like this video. Or you don't know how to do one like this. Thank God for you. You don't dey eat am in a better way. Like, don't wash your fish like this. The way you take enjoy am in different way, like either you dry am for your oven, use am cook stew, use am cook catfish pepper soup, you know, as point and key, you fit fry am, you go enjoy your catfish, you go enjoy am. And this video you just see the way I cut my catfish. I know be person when like catfish, you go just cut am big. We are not dey like those big meat. I know say if you be person when they like am, just cut am the way you want am. That one not join this video. Wetin I want show is how to wash them, how to enjoy your catfish in different variety. You know, comot all the mede. Like, you know, some people, if I want eat catfish, I know they even they comot the giz. I like, you know, don't just eat everything. I hate now all the eatable and eatable. All the catfish eaters, I agree to now. Like, I just remove everything when I know say I know if we eat for the catfish. So after I wash all the mede out finish, we done the almost reach the most important parts of this video. Like after here now, I will just rest everything, come put down for that my bowl when you see there. I don't already boil hot water down as we dey talk. So I go come add salt, I go add lemon, I will come pour that hot water on top. So now it go give me that access when I will fit wash the catfish well. So make I not to talk too much. I know say you go watch this video with that shine eye when God give you. And if you enjoy the video at last and you find this video helpful, please help me share around to your friends, family, to your landlord, to your tenant, to everybody around you. Yes, so I know soon I know they like share better thing, but I know say everybody will come to this video today, my God go touch you now for mind. Say as you find this video helpful, may you get that mind to share it too. I hope to see you all on my next video. Please like, share and follow. Let me say I dey beg you. I beg, don't look our followers till they watch our content. We are going somewhere. We are moving higher. We are coming and we are coming big. Oh yes. I go live and make gonna enjoy that my beautiful music. Lady Zion Sweet Home. Yes. So if you know say your heart sweet, I beg, share this video. Share am and bye.
Lady Zion. Sweet home, beautiful home, cooking and lifestyle. These are more we do. Let's go, ladies. Zion, sweet home, and beautiful home, cooking and lifestyle. Oh, building a healthy community. That is all we do. One individual at a time, ready for you every day. Always at the service, we know that I am sweet home, and beautiful home.
Lady Zion, sweet home. We cook enjoyable, delicious meals with an experience that sets the standard. Yummy cooking and lifestyle. Lady Zion, sweet home. Build a healthy community, one individual at a
After 2 minutes.
time.
We are the best, we are reliable, unbeatable. We are the best, we are tested and trusted. We are the best, we are reliable, unbeatable. We are the best, we are tested, unstoppable. Ladies, Zion, sweet and beautiful home, cooking a lifestyle, oh, building a healthy community. That is all we do. One individual at a time, ready for you every day. Always at the service, we know that I am sweet and beautiful home. Ladies, Zion, sweet and beautiful home, cooking a lifestyle, oh, building a healthy community. That is all we do. One individual at a time, ready for you every day. Always at the service, we know that I am sweet and beautiful home. Cooking a lifestyle, oh, building a healthy community. That is all we do. One individual at a time, ready for you every day. Always at the service, we know that I am sweet and my beautiful home. Ladies, Zion, sweet and my beautiful home, cooking a lifestyle, oh, building a healthy community. That is all we do. One individual at a time, ready for you every day. Always at the service, we know that I am. Always at the service, we know that I am.